Hello, dear friends concerned about skin health. Today I'm here to share with you my transformative experience with Citrulift. If you're like me and constantly seeking effective solutions for aging signs around the eyes, then this review is for you. Ever since I started noticing dark circles, wrinkles, and sagging eyelids, my quest for a product that truly delivers results intensified. That's when I discovered Citrulift and was intrigued by its promise to transform the eye area in just 30 days. With an innovative formula based on stem cells and backed by studies from the Harvard Stem Cell Institute, I knew I had to give it a try. After using Citrulift for a few weeks, I'm thrilled to share that I've seen a significant improvement in the appearance of my skin around the eyes. Dark circles have diminished significantly, wrinkles are less visible, and my eyelids appear firmer and toned. I feel more confident and rejuvenated, and my friends and family have noticed the difference too. Now, if you're looking for an effective solution for aging signs around the eyes, I can't recommend Citrulift enough. Don't wait any longer to take care of your skin. Click the link below to get your Citrulift today. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the transformation this product can bring to your appearance. Join me and start your journey to vibrant, youthful-looking eyes now.